Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. With new topic, I am your teacher, Miss Anam. My dear students, today the topic which we are going to start is laws of exponents. You people already know that what are exponents. Okay, so let's begin the topic. Students, I'm going to share some rules or laws for laws of exponents. If we have multiplication rule, we have many rules, but on your grade we have only 5 or 6 rules. We have multiplication rule, division rule, power of a power rule, power of a product rule, and zero exponent. This is not the rule. This is actually the defined form of exponent. Here, if they have defined you laws of exponents, to it means that we do not have to do nothing with the base. We have to only add, subtract the bases. We have only have to do the add or subtraction of powers only. We will not do anything with the base other than one rule. Clear? So let's begin with the examples. You must have these rules written in your copy or somewhere else while you are doing examples or you are attempting any questions. Okay, so I already remember these laws, so let me put over here for your reference. Okay, students, if we have an example, 2 power 3. This is example. If you observe that here bases are same, and which rule we are going to apply? We will apply the rule on this given form of the sign. We have been given with the multiplication sign. It means we will apply the multiplication law of multiplication rule. So law of multiplication. Here law of multiplication says that if bases are same. Do you know, my dear students, why they have not given you digits instead of variables? Like instead of a, they did not give you any digit. The answer is, if they have given you variables or digits instead of these alphabetical letters, it would have mean that only these rules are specified for the particular digits they have used. So a can be any base. Clear? A can be any base, x can be anything, y can be anything, means any digit. Here only these variables are used. A, B are actually bases, and x, y has been taken as exponents. Okay, remember. So students, we used multiplication rule. Multiplication rule says if bases are same and those bases are multiplying, so their powers will be added. Okay, what the multiplication rule says, if the bases are same and those bases are being multiplied, so their exponents will be added. Here see, ax multiply ay. See, a has been taken as base. Here a is equals to 2. A is equals to 2. Their bases are different. Their powers are different, but their bases are same. So multiplication rule says if the bases are same and they are being multiplied, so their power will be added. So what we will do, by taking this rule, 2. So their power will be, I have added their powers. Now we have 2 power 7. Okay. Okay. So question arises, what if bases are different? If bases are different. Students, if bases are different, definitely they would have same exponents. It can be 2. So what is the rule? Rule says if their bases are different, you just have to multiply the base and then you have to give a power they both have. Here we have different base. So these two will multiply, 2 3s are 6 and their base will come. So 6 power 2 will be the answer. This rule was defined for multiplication. Okay. Now come for the division rule. If you people are given this thing, see, if the bases are same and division sign is given, what to do with the bases? What to do with the exponents? In division rule, we first have to write those bases and exponents in fractional form. Then simply subtract the lower base, lower exponent from the above one. See what the rule says. Ax, I have written in the same way. Ax actually this thing and ay is this thing. First I have written in fractional form and then I have subtracted this base from this. So what answer come? My answer is 13. Okay? See the rule. The rule says this thing. Clear? Now power of a power rule. If this thing is given to you, right? Then power of a power rule says, first of all you need to understand what is power of a power rule. Power of a power rule means that if you have given already with the power and you have again a whole power, so you just need to multiply these two things. Bracket already means multiplication. So your answer will be 3 2s are 6. See, this was the condition. See, and then a xy means they both has been multiplied. So here 3 2s are 6. X, when multiply x with y, we get xy. Now power of a product rule. Power of a product rule says if you have this thing and you have this thing, which I have been already told you. 7 3s are 21 and only one power will come. So this is power of a product rule, right? See, I have been given with ax and bx. Ax and bx power are same. Simple multiply a and b. I have multiplied 7 and 3. So 21 square is the answer. Clear? Now, it says 0 exponent. If any number has a power as 0, so it is equal to 1. When 2 has a power 0 is equals to 1. If 3 has a power is equals to 0, it is actually 1. So these are the rules which have been shared with you, laws of exponents. So if my dear students, these laws were only based on exponents given in the question. I hope you got my lecture. If you have any query, you can ask from your teachers. So let me solve one thing. If this thing is given to you and your teachers give you this thing as well, you people get confused what to do. So please solve this thing first with the division rule, and when your one answer comes, so multiply that answer with this one. So which rule will apply? Multiply sign is here. Multiply sign is here. You will apply the multiplication rule. How? First write using division rule, you will be having this answer. Okay? Then get this instead of this 5 square, multiply using power of power rule, 2 3s are 6. See, if the bases are same, the power will be added. So our answer will be 5 power 8. I hope you get this lesson. If you have any query, you can ask from your teacher. Thank you so much.